YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Guapo B back with another video, man. So today, as you see guys, we got another little POV. Here's the car. She is a little dirty, as you guys can see, but we're still finna get into it. Anyways guys, as you guys know, we always starting this at the damn gas station because this thing never can hold gas. But anyways guys, first off I want to say I really do appreciate you guys blowing up my I think it was my afternoon POV. So if you guys can, run the numbers up on this one too. Like I said, it's an early morning one. Well, not too early, but you feel me? Anyways, we got the cat out. So I'm gonna do, where my keys went? Hold up. Oh shit, where my keys went? There we go. Anyways guys, so we're gonna go ahead and hop right into it. As you guys know, I gotta give y'all, this ain't even a cold start, but alright YouTube, so we're in the car, so you know what I'm saying, she's ready to go, so let's get it. Damn, I was in neutral. I did not know I was in neutral. But anyways y'all, like I said, I do appreciate all the support y'all showed me on my last two videos. No, not my last two, last three videos. I appreciate all the support y'all. Like I said, just keep running up the numbers guys. I got big plans for you guys. If you guys just, you know what I'm saying, hang out, like, support, share, all that. We got big plans. So like right now, like I said, we're gonna play around with her. She is warm, so I ain't gotta worry about her warming up or anything. But oh shit, boy, these tires though, y'all, these tires are bad. So hey, also if y'all got you know, Scat Pack, Hellcat, you know, even Track, anything like that, comment below what tire brands y'all rock with. You know, I'm crossed between the Nittos or the Michelin or I don't know if I think it's Michelin, or it might just be the Continental GTs. I don't know. I really don't know too much about tires like that. So, like I said, let me know, cause it's time to get some. I know that for a fact. It's definitely time to get some. But anyways, y'all, so what y'all got planned for today? Because right now, like I said, I might knock out 2 videos for you guys today, and I'll just post one, of course, today, and I might post one tomorrow for you guys, give you guys like a double upload. But I honestly do not know. I do not know. I got a lot of stuff on the agenda right now, so we're gonna see. Ooh, she be pulling, boy. Let's see if I can get her to pop real quick. She's popping a little bit, just a little bit, nothing too crazy. I gotta be careful though, because sometimes cops be down here. And like when I tell y'all, when we go down here, it's like a no man's land. But there's always that one sheriff that'll come out the cut, and I don't understand where, how, or why. See, look, we got a truck in the cut right there, but I think that's just someone's truck. But yeah, also guys, I'm so close to getting monetized on YouTube. If you guys could, please watch the full video. And also, if y'all not subscribed, guys, subscribe. Subscribe to Guap. You gonna have some fun watching my videos. Or we just gonna sit and talk like this in the cat, either or. Let me get some downshifts. Pass with care. Oh, I've never seen that sign before. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till more of a straight lane in order to do a pull. But I got y'all. I'm gonna do a full pull for you guys, because I know in my videos it look like I be doing them little baby ass pulls, but it's okay, because I'm gonna get a real pull for you guys now. Well, of course when we get to our spot, because right now I know I'm gonna be wobbly and I'm not trying to smack another car. It's just not in my, you know, agenda today. So but also guys, if you guys, since you guys are pretty much watching my car channel, if you guys have any type of Mopar or any type of sports car, whatever. What do you guys have? You know, I know some of y'all might have 5.0, some of y'all might have a Scat Pack, some of y'all might have an RT. And hey, shout out to that one subscriber I've been talking to through the DM. That's my twin for real. But like I said, just comment what you guys got below and like what plans you guys have. Hey bro, why the fuck did I just stutter so bad like that? But yeah, tell me what kind of plans you guys have and stuff like that. But like I said, the scenery is actually not bad here. I'm not gonna lie to you. As you guys see, we just went a little sideways right there. We'll play with him a little bit. Let me stop. Now I'm getting a little too close to his ass. You know, we're out here in the country. He could pop me and bury me in his backyard. I'm not trying to deal with that. Why were you just braking right there? Oh, okay. I was finna say. Damn. Shit. And now we are making it to no man's land. That's what I like to call this area back here. Because it's nothing but straight road. I love it. It's nothing but straight road. But hey, no, I'm gonna go ahead and drop it. So pretty much, y'all, what I got planned for 2024 is this. Alright. I don't know what order, but this is pretty much what I got planned. So y'all have to stay in tune. I do plan on going wide body. I do plan on putting not necessarily a wrap, but a sticker on the side of my car. And then with the big I'm just gonna say the big Hellcat logo. And then I want my brake calibers to match that. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna make this car look good, but we're also gonna make it faster because I am gonna go through direct connect. So that's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna tell y'all what stage I'm gonna go first. Just know it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a great process. Right now I'm just waiting on my dealership to get approved fully because they gotta send some people in training and stuff like that. So as soon as that gets done, I'm probably gonna throw it right into the shop. So be sure to look out, you know what I'm saying? We might big power mod question mark. Oh, we got people fishing up here, bro. It is too cold. It is 48 degrees out and they're fishing. I respect it, but it couldn't be me. Let me give him some downshifts. He was looking a little like he was mad. Buddy, come on now. Relax. Alright, y'all, so let's go ahead and get our pull in. I think we're in a safe area. I know I'm gonna spin, so I'm probably gonna 55 roll. Oh shit. Damn, boy. And you can smell the tires too. Like I said, y'all, my tires are bad, my boy. I'm not even gonna lie to you, they are bad. I'm gonna get some soon. I don't know when, but I'm gonna get some soon. So what we did, like a 55 roll right there. So we'll get another pull in. Let's go for like a 40. We'll go for a 40. I know I'm gonna spin bad, but it's alright. I'm already knowing what this comes with. Definitely not do a pull on the curve. But I mean, she hooked. Once she hooked, she went. I will say that. All right, let's go ahead and drop it to. We'll drop it to 40. This is finna be fucking crazy. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this thing around, y'all, and I'll see you when we get back. Alright, y'all, so we turned around, and as you guys see, I got traction control off. So let's have a little bit of fun with this little takeoff. Yeah, we got some smoke back there, nothing too crazy. But like I said, my tires are bad, so we're gonna put this traction control right back on. Yeah, I'm not with trying to crash out. Definitely not with that. But anyways, y'all, that's gonna be pretty much it for the POV. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to join the Guapo gang. I'm gonna throw y'all more content. I got, like I said, big plans. I know I keep saying it, but y'all gotta support, subscribe, man. We finna have fun with it. And it's Guapo B, and I'm out.